everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a review of Tabnine. Now, what is Tabnine? Now, Tabnine is one of the best AI code completion tool for individuals, teams or enterprises. So let's learn about it. It is an AI tool that completes your code securely and intelligently. It offers AI-powered autocomplete that learns your team's coding style to suggest precise, secure, and context-aware code snippets. So, a lot of people have been using those tools and they have testimonies, they love it, and some people personally use it. Now, what are some of the features of it? What are some of its features? Now, one of the features is that it uses local or private cloud AI models to ensure there's code privacy. So it is based on existing developer editors like Visual Studio Code. Here you have like JetBrains and the rest of them. You can see it. These are these ones it integrates into. So it also supports about 20 programming languages. Supports about 20 programming languages. So these are for resources for you to get the videos and blogs. So it has about 20, supports about 20 programming languages. It is customizable. It is customizable for. It's customizable for. Sorry about that. For enterprise environment with team-based training. Yes. It also provides real-time suggestions without sending code externally. Let's look at the pros and the cons of this. Now, one of the pros is that it has excellent privacy first design. It has smooth integration with most editors, like I showed you earlier. The team level model training is amazing and has reliable auto completion for over 20 programming languages. Now, what are the cons? There's no full function generation like Copilot. Yes, it's slightly slower compared to for teams like when you're working on large code bases. So overall, I would say give it a 4.6 out of 5. Yeah, it shines for its teams valuing privacy, consistency, and offering dependable AI assisted code completion at scale. And that is where it actually shines. So you can check out this Tabnine at tabnine.com, which is where we are right now. And this is the website. You can see it's a smarter AI coding agent that you can get for Total Enterprise. You can also check out the entire website in terms of supporting the programming language. Apart from that, it can also help you write your entire test. It can deploy it and also run in any of your favorite editors. So when we talk about the price, we're going to look at it in the next video.